literally took me 20 minutes, which is nothing for the length and thickness of my hair. Like nothing. Just 20 minutes. Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to do curls as a lazy girl. This is literally a video for lazy girls who do not really know how to curl their hair. I am not going to separate my hair or do anything special. Also, I want to mention, if your hair stays very well put when you use a heatless curl, go for it. Do it. Mine, first of all, it doesn't curl my hair at all. Second, it doesn't stay at all as well. So my hair is very heavy and very long, so it doesn't work unless I put some heat on it. You can't see all of my hair. I have a small bathroom, so I can't go farther. So I'm using this Miracurl type of curler. I had it since I was like 16 years old, and I think it makes your hair beautiful. However, I will not recommend this type of curler. If you have the money to buy a Dyson curler, I will go for that one. But right now, I don't have the budget to spend $600 on a curler, and so I'll stick to this one. All right, so you see there are different like sections here, and basically it gives you a different type of curls based on what you select. I still don't know the fucking difference, honestly, but we will try together and see which curl is better for me. So what I'm gonna do first is to use these hairspray, which is supposed to protect your hair from heat, so it better work. All right, I separated my hair like this, and oof, there was a mosquito. And I'm gonna put one section back so that I can concentrate on this section right here, and I'm gonna put some of these spray. Okay, cool. And now I'll select a small piece. This always scares me because it has happened before, that my hair got stuck in it. So yeah, that can happen, and I'm gonna be fine, but we'll see. Okay, I have to look at the mirror because I can't look at the camera and do it, so I'm just gonna turn. So I just put it like this. Oh shit, see, my hair is so long that it doesn't grab at all, so I have to start from the end. All right, let's try it one more time. Let's grab the end. All right, cool. So it's gonna sound when it's done. So let's see the results. Great. There you go. Which is cool. But let's try another setting. Let's try this setting. I don't know the difference. So let's see if it looks different. Let's get another strand. I'm gonna get smaller strands so that I can go a little bit up, because I'm only doing my ends pretty much. Oh my god, I have so much fucking hair. Okay. Great. So you see, I grabbed a smaller strand and now it's able to grab the entire length of the hair. But yeah, I'm pretty much doing each strand without dissecting my hair into... Oh wow, this one is weird. What the hell? Alright. Let's try this. Oh no. Okay, let's try this. I don't know the fucking difference. video about the best hair products that I have ever tried, and I'm literally changing hair products every month because I'm trying to find what works best for me, and also what hair products are great but also budget friendly, because we can't all spend fucking you know, 30 bucks every month for a conditioner. I mean like for an Olaplex conditioner. Right, this one's weird. I'm gonna try the middle. Let's see what we got. Alright. So this actually doesn't take me that long to do, because again, I'm not dividing my hair and putting my hair up and like doing it like the professional way. I'm just doing it kind of the lazy way. So again, my curls, because I have long and heavy hair, sorry, thick hair, my curls look very like loose. So it's like, it's looking this like this. Alright, I'm gonna try to change setting again. I don't know what's this either. There's literally 3 different settings, and this is old. I bought it so long ago that I don't have the instructions anymore. Okay, straight middle. I kind of like it better when I grab more hair. I'm literally switching these every time I curl it because I want to see the difference. So it kind of looks more of like a natural curl. Like if you didn't know I was doing this, it kind of looks natural. It doesn't look like fake curls, like the doll type of curls. Which, is it a good thing? I don't know. Depends on what you like. Alright, let's see. Come on, that was good. Alright, let's do it shorter. Alright. I don't have much left, so you see, this is the section that I did. You can't see well, the light is shit. section so that maybe you can see a little bit better. Let's see if I can just do the end, but like thicker. Oh, it doesn't even grab it. Insane. You see, that's why I want a Dyson curler, because this one is such a pain in the ass if you have thick long hair. Oh, come on, man. I will show you end result with a good light because you can't really see much right now. But you see, even if you have a different type of curlers, you can literally do it just like this. Like, don't even put your hair up, just divide your hair in two and just do like a few strands, and I promise the end result is gonna be nice. It's gonna look more on the natural side, but if you don't have much time like me and you don't wanna, you know, put too much effort in it, this is the way to go. And again, my light is super shitty, so you can't really see very well how the curls look. I'm actually almost done with one section, you will see soon. Like this, the hair that I've done so far. Maybe you can see a little better now, but still the light is super shitty and you cannot really see the contrast. Okay, great. One side is done. Almost done. I have this small hair to do. And these two. Alright, one side is done. So you can see the difference. There is a little bit more lighting. You can see the difference between the curls and the straight hair. It literally just took me a couple of minutes and it looks natural. It doesn't look that fake curl at all. Again, my hair is heavy, and so it's not gonna, that's why it's kind of loose. And now we're gonna do the other side and then we'll see the end result. Yeah, definitely the curls look so much fucking better without the heat protectant. That is fucking crazy. What am I using the heat protectant for? Well, I guess I'm ruining one side of my hair.
We'll see what it finds.
All right. I am done. Literally. Like, it literally took me 20 minutes, which is nothing for the length and thickness of my hair. Like, nothing.